Imagine a duck so beautifully bronzed it looks like it was painted by old masters. Skin crisp enough to shatter, and pooled beneath it, a sauce the color of liquid amber, catching the light like stained glass. That's duck à l'orange. And no, you don't need a restaurant. You just need tonight. Start the night before. Pat your duck completely dry and leave it uncovered in the fridge. Cold air pulls moisture from the skin, and moisture is the enemy of crisp. We are at war with water, and we will win. When you're ready to cook, take a sharp knife and score that skin in a diagonal crosshatch, just through the fat, never into the meat. Diagonal lines one way, then the other. Those cuts create escape routes for fat to render out. Trap that fat and you get greasy skin. Release it and you get crackling perfection plus liquid gold to save for later. Inside the cavity, tuck half an onion, a few thyme sprigs, some orange slices, and 1 smashed garlic clove. Not too much. We're perfuming, not stuffing. Air needs room to circulate. Now here's a story to cook with. This dish screams Paris, but its roots are Italian. In the 16th century, Catherine de Medici brought it to France with her chefs. The French perfected it, made it their own. 500 years later, here we are, continuing that delicious tradition. Place the duck on onion quarters in a roasting pan. Cover tightly with foil, pour in white wine and water, and into a 350-degree oven it goes for 80 minutes. Covered heat is gentle heat. It slowly melts collagen into silky gelatin. Rush this and the meat turns tough. Patience isn't just a virtue here, it's chemistry. Remove the foil and baste that duck with its own glorious juices. Now the Maillard reaction, that magical browning of proteins, turns the skin deep bronze and impossibly crisp. Another 30 to 60 minutes and you'll be close to a masterpiece. But here's a crucial checkpoint. If that skin isn't shatteringly crisp yet, don't panic. Simply turn your oven to broil for the last 2 to 3 minutes. Watch it like a hawk. Literally stand there because ovens vary wildly and we're going for golden brown, not charcoal. You'll know it's ready when the skin is taut, glossy, and makes you want to sneak a piece immediately. And for doneness, trust your thermometer, not your eyes. The internal temperature at the thickest part of the thigh should reach 180 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the sweet spot, where collagen has fully melted into gelatin and the meat is tender enough to make you close your eyes. Let it rest a full 15 minutes before carving. If you cut too soon, those hard-won juices run away. Let them settle back into the meat where they belong. While that happens, pour the pan juices into a container and watch the fat rise to the top. Skim it off and save every drop. That's liquid gold for potatoes, eggs, your future self. In a saucepan, take a little of that fat, whisk and flour for 2 minutes. Add orange juice, honey, balsamic, and the skimmed pan juices. Simmer until it coats a spoon like velvet, thick enough that your finger leaves a trail. And don't you dare throw anything away. That extra duck fat makes the crispiest potatoes of your life. Those bones, into a pot with vegetables for stock that tastes like pure comfort. Now finally taste. That skin shatters. The meat yields. The sauce wraps around everything. Sweet from honey and oranges. Savory from hours of roasting. Bright with just enough tang to keep you coming back for more. This isn't restaurant food anymore. It's yours. This is Food Illustrated. Save that fat, make that stock, and as always, enjoy the process of illustration on your plate.